What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make money selling colognes and perfumes at the flea market. So first and foremost, I bought these perfumes and colognes from a website called Wholesale Harry, and in no way, shape, or form am I sponsored or being paid to mention his name in this video. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I purchased 100 of these, 50 colognes, 50 perfumes of the smell-alikes. So this one right here says Lion Yellow for men, and it's our version of Lacoste. So these colognes and perfumes are 100% legal because they're not trying to replicate them and say that they're real. They're admitting to the fact that they are knockoffs and they are fake smell-alikes, and they're not trying to pretend like they're real. If that makes sense. You think about it, you go to a grocery store, you know, there's a name brand and then there's the off brand. So same sort of situation here. This is the off brand, but with colognes, you obviously really not gonna be able to tell that big of a difference unless you're like a big cologne guy or perfume woman. 100 units, 50 colognes, 50 perfumes for $225. I think that's a really good deal. $2.25 per unit. So I sell each unit at even just $5, and that's 100% profits. If I sell them at $10, then I'm making $7.50 a pop. I sell them all, then 100 units at $10, that's a $750 profit. That's definitely manageable if you live in a high traffic area with a nice flea market. So I actually went out and we tried this, me and my dad, and the flea market cost was $45 for the day. And so we had a single size lot, just the size, it was the width of a parking spot. And so we set up 2 folding tables and had all of them lined out. We got there at about 7:30 in the morning, got set up. Flea market opened around 8:30 or 9 o'clock, and that's when we started to begin seeing some traffic. It was a really cold day. This was back last year, back in 2018, winter time. So I think it was around 30-40 degrees throughout the whole day, so not too much traffic. We only sold about 10 products, and I started selling them at $10, and then I was just trying to move volume towards the end of the day, so I dropped it down to $5, and we ended up selling about, I think it was, the exact number was 12 products that we sold for, I think, $80 was our total revenue. So it covered our flea market fees, and we made a little more, but it definitely would be worth it to go out more this summer and see if we could sell them all. So I want to show you guys more examples of these colognes. So I had to reorganize these myself. So I think most of this is the colognes and then the perfumes in here. So if you just take a look. Fantastic, Inspired by Fantasy by Britney Spears. This one is Vivian, our version of Victoria by Victoria's Secret. Juve Home, don't know what that one is. So our version of Dolce & Gabbana, the one. Dance Dance, our version of Can Can, Paris Hilton. So each one of the perfumes and colognes came in a pack of 2. So it's the Victory. So this is the Versace right there. Boulevard Man. 717 New York City Men, our version of 212 Men NYC. So right here we got American Sport, our version of Polo Sport. There was Aqua di Gio, which is one of my personal favorites, and I actually ended up selling them both. Soda Sky Men, our version of Light Blue Men by Dolce & Gabbana. I think that's how you say it. Another D&G. Seductive Night, our version of No Ortiz by Victoria's Secret. So you guys get the idea. I was honestly surprised whenever these came, and I realized how good of quality they were. These nice packaged boxes, and then This one right here has got even some felt on it, which is really cool and unique. And then the boxes are pretty nice and sturdy. They spray well. I would definitely recommend this to anyone who's trying to make some money and take on a little risk in the process. It's really cool. You're starting your own business, hitting the flea market. You get to keep 100% of the profits, besides the taxes and the flea market fees you have to pay. But you're not working for anybody. You're not working for $10, $12 an hour. You're working for as much as you can sell. You get to put your salesman skills on show. And basically, I mean, it's just really fun when you're out there and you know that you're working for yourself, and it just feels really great. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave us a like and go ahead and subscribe for more. Thank you guys.